Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about copy constructor. So in previous video I discussed about constructors. Okay, so please watch that video. Then okay, so watch this video. Otherwise you are not able to understand this video. Okay, yeah. So what is constructor? What is copy constructor? See, copy constructor in Java allows creating an exact copy of an existing object. Okay, so I have one existing object and I want to create exact copy of the what say existing object. Okay, of the same class such that changes made on the existing object, okay, don't affect a new copy. Okay, don't affect a new copy. Okay, so okay how to create what a same exact copy of what a existing object. Okay, see, to create a copy constructor we need to take the existing object as an argument and initialize the values of instance variables with the values obtained in the object. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, I'll tell you clearly with an example. Okay, so copy constructor is used to create what exact copy of an existing object. Okay, yeah. Now see here. So without okay, so copy constructor what happened with copy constructor what happened I will discuss what in detail. Okay, I will discuss in detail. Yeah, see here. See here human. Okay, uh so human class and here this is the constructor to initialize instance variables of your class, instance variables of your class. Now, what I'm doing is here, I'm adding setter methods to update name and age. Okay, to update name and age. Okay, so here, source, generate setters and methods. Yeah. Now, set age and set. These fields I am adding to update values of name and age. See, so this is my program. Yeah. Now, human obj1 is equal to obj1 dot display. Okay. So now what happened here? Anand 23. Why? Because here I have given what Anand comma 23 in constructor. Right. Okay. Now what I'm doing is here I'm going to create human obj2 is equal to obj. Now you are creating exact copy of this obj1. Okay, so here what is the exact copy? Obj2. Now obj2 dot display. Okay, yeah. Now see what happens. See, you are getting same Anand 23 20. So what happened? So here exact copy of what obj1 created, right? But here what is the necessity of what copy constructor? See, copy constructor means here to create a copy constructor, we need to take an existing object as argument, and initialize the values of instance variables with values obtained in the object. Okay, so here, okay, so copy constructor, how to create copy constructor? We need to take an existing object as parameter. Okay, so here human. Okay, here you need to take what human obj as parameter. Okay, so like this, by using this we can what perform the what exact copy of an object. But here, what is necessity of this? Without this copy constructor also, you are creating exact copy of this obj1. Then what is the necessity? See, I'll tell you. So here in heap memory, what happened at the time of execution? See, human obj1 is equal to new human of Anand, comma 20. Okay. So now at the time of execution, okay. So this is obj1 and it has values Anand and 23. Right. Now here obj2, you are not creating this obj, you are not creating by using new operator, right? So whenever you use new operator, then only okay, new memory, separate memory will be allocated. But here, just you are assigning this obj1 to obj2. Now in this case, what happened is this obj2, for this obj2 separate memory not allocated. Okay. Now this obj2 also referring to the same memory location of obj1. Okay. Now if you try to change this obj1, then obj2 effective. For suppose here obj trying to change its value, obj1 also affected. Okay. Obj1 also affected. I will show you. Okay. Whether it is what true or not, I will tell you. Okay. So here, see, yeah, obj1 dot display, the obj2 dot display. Yeah. Now here I have created what obj1 and obj2. Now here obj2 I have copied to I have copied obj1 to obj2. Now what I'm doing is obj2 dot set name I'm changing. Name I'm changing. Okay. Name I'm changing to Teja. Okay. I'm changing obj2, not obj1. See. But see, obj1 dot display what it will display. Both are changing. Why? Because already I told in graphical representation. So whenever we are calling obj2 dot set name of Teja. Okay, obj2 dot set name of Teja. Now what happened here? Okay, so both are referring to same memory location. No? So now this okay is what Anand is changed by Teja, and here obj1 also referring to the same memory location. So that's why both are okay. Both names are changed. So this should not happen, right? See here. Okay, copy constructor in Java allows creating an exact copy of an existing object of the same class such that changes made on existing object don't affect a new copy. Okay, yeah, see, here not only but existing object. Okay, so even okay, second object, new copy should not affect existing copy and existing copy should not affect what new copy. Okay, so vice versa should not happen. Okay, vice versa should not happen. Okay, even if you try to change this obj1, see obj1 dot set name of Teja. Now see here you copied obj1 into obj2. After that you are changing name. Okay, of obj1, but it affects obj2 also. Means existing copy but affecting what new copy. So this should not happen. So that's why, okay, so that's why here what I'm doing is this copy constructor I'm using. Here you should take what existing object as parameter. Okay, existing object as parameter. See here, obj2 is equal to new human, okay, of obj1. New human of obj1. Here what we need to do, see here, we need to take existing object as an argument and initialize values of instance variables, okay, with the values obtained in the object. So here, okay, so go to the copy constructor. Here, this is the object, no? So this object has instance variables, right? It contains instance variables. These instance variables, I'm going to what? I'm going to add to the my. See here, simply I will copy paste this code here. Okay, copy paste this code here. But here, what I'm doing is obj.name. Okay, the name and age obtained from the object, existing object. Okay, so obj dot age. Okay, so this this dot name means, okay, the constructor which is calling the object which is calling this constructor, that is current object this. Okay, and here this is the existing object obj. Okay, see here, here at line number 26. Okay, human obj2 is equal to new human obj1 of, means here obj2, okay, is created by using this what a copy constructor. Okay, now here you are passing existing object as parameter to this constructor obj1. Now this constructor is called with respect to this obj2. Okay, with respect to this obj2, this copy constructor is called. Okay, now this obj1 is existing object and this is obj2 is current object which is calling this constructor. Okay. Now here, okay, come to here. So whenever you try to create obj2, this constructor will be called, right? Now this dot name means obj2 dot name is equal to, here obj dot name means obj1 dot name. Here left hand side, this dot age means, okay, obj2 dot age is equal to obj1 dot age. Okay, why? Because here you are passing obj1, okay, to this parameter. Okay, so like this, we are going to copy what obj1 to obj2. Okay, now what happened in the memory location? See here, now here, new, don't say. Okay, so here at the line number what 25. Okay, at line number 25, obj1 is created here, Anand and 23. Okay, and here at line number 26, human obj is equal obj2 is equal to new human of obj1 you are passing, right? Obj1 you are passing. Now here you are creating obj2 by using new operator. No, so separate memory is created. Okay, so in constructor, what are you doing? So you are copying instance variables from obj1 to obj2. Okay, obj1 to obj2. Now Anand and 23 you are copying. After that, after that, uh, see, after that, what are you doing? See, oh, you are changing what existing object. Obj1 is existing object. No, set name of Teja you are changing. Means your obj1 dot set name. Okay, set name of Teja you are changing. Okay. Now what happened here? Teja is updated with respect to obj1, not with respect to obj2. Now see, try to execute this program. What happened? See, only obj1 is affected, not obj2. So this is the what significance of copy constructor. Okay, so I hope this is clear, right? So very easy. Okay, so please practice in your local system. Okay, by using this what example. Okay, thanks for watching. So please subscribe my channel if you are new viewer.